Good morning, Sumos. I just thought I'd do a quick little video just to give you a little bit of an over the shoulder look through a typical design, something we're working on at the moment for a client. And as you can see here over on the main screen, it's a large U-shaped kitchen. And the design brief is they've got a very big covered area here. You can see how everything's mapped out on the floor already. They've already supplied the footprint and the layout of their space. And it's time for us to do the fun bit and build in the outdoor kitchen ideas. So this is all based on our Sumo RTF Pro build-in system, and it's going to be supplied to the landscapers whose project it is, and they'll be installing. But this is just the initial concept, initial ideas, and in the design brief we've got this large U shape. They've got a Kamado in the corner that they want. They want a nice gas grill, looking at something minimalist like the Beefeater Pro line, but also we may change to something bit more bigger, a bit beefier like the Whistler Burfords. And also we've got the lovely floating bar detail that we're doing on this side. So rather than sort of blocking it all off and creating too many units, we're looking at maybe opening this up, and with the Sumo RTF frame we can do that and make a lovely open floating bar situation there. Friends and family can all sit around, enjoy the fun and entertainment that's going on with all the cooking. So and you'll also notice over here a fab little detail. We're not too sure on the orientation of this yet. We've got a large Union Jack Smeg fridge that's going to go in, and also they want a sink in this area. So this is a little kickback nook at the back of the building. This may swap round, and of course the Smeg fridge isn't an outdoor fridge, but it should be fine as it's all enclosed. But I think we're probably going to end up swapping these round for access reasons. But as you can see, it looks absolutely stunning. Really excited about this one, and look forward to filling you in on more information as we go on. All right guys, cheers, bye bye.